clear my head, but you showed up inside instead. Not like a ghost, not like a burn, just like a truth that won't unlearn. You never left, not all the way. You fade in smoke, then back you stay. And every drag just pulls you near. In all the songs I used to hear, I'm not in pain, I'm not in tears. I've passed the worst of all those years, but there's a calm that still feels wrong, like something's gone, but not for long. I speak your name inside my mind, not out of need, just to rewind. The highs we shared, the lows we braved, now just a cloud I can't reframe. Ashes of us float in the air. I don't chase them, they meet me there. Not trying to fix, not trying to cry, just breathing in the reasons why. Ashes of us, quiet and slow, still feel your light in every glow. We had our run, we had our mess. We love too loud, we guess, but something sacred lingers still, like smoke that moves against your will. I see your laugh in passing lights, I hear your voice on certain nights, and though you're gone, I can't deny you left a mark the years can't dry. I'm not alone, but still I feel that part of me you used to steal. I don't resent, I don't regret, but some good highs you don't forget. So here I am, one more inhale, not to escape but to unveil the piece of you that still remains, a little warmth within my veins. Ashes of us float in the air. I don't chase them, they meet me there. Not trying to fix, not trying to cry, just breathing in the reasons why. Ashes of us, quiet and slow, still feel your light in every glow. So if I smile when nothing's near, don't ask me why, don't pull me clear. Some things don't fade, some things just stay, like ashes dancing through the grave. Sun dips low behind the concrete spine. Glass towers blush in a tangerine line. Up 10 flights where the air feels wide. Tomato vines sway to the rhythm inside. Old milk crates hold basil and thyme. Cicadas sing with the bass in time. I grind a little piece, roll the city hushed. Smoke twirls slow through the rooftop brush. Rooftop garden groove where the jungle breathes. Roots in the skyline, life in the leaves. Take a mellow puff, watch the rush below. Rooftop garden groove, let the concrete grow. Neighbors drop by with a battered guitar, strumming down stress under neon star. Steam from the kettle, laughter on tap. Campfire vibes on an urban slab. Let the gutter be the drum skin, let the breeze be the horn. Let the herb light the moment where new dreams are born. Every seed of promise, every chord of bloom. Reggae in the rafters, healing every room. Oh, rooftop garden groove where the jungle breathes. Roots in the skyline, life sense. I guard this green kingdom behind cement. City may roar, but the roots stay true. Rooftop garden groove, keeping me and you.
They told me stay strong, but looked away when I was broke, when skies turned gray. I lit alone, no one to hold, but in that flame I felt more bold. Fake friends came round when things were sweet, but disappeared when I hit heat. Now I don't beg, I don't explain, I let it burn, I ride the rain. They flex online, I flex in soul. They copy trends, I pay the toll. I've seen the mask behind the smile, I've seen the snake hug like a child. So now I float and talk to none. I roll my piece and face the sun. They'll never get what I found here, a smoke that clears a mind sincere. Smoke don't lie, it don't pretend, it don't switch sides, it don't depend. It knows my pain, it knows my name. It calms the fire, it kills the shame. Smoke don't lie, and that's enough. It never judged when life got rough. They said you're cold, I said I'm real. I don't fake tears, I just feel still. Been crossed too much, been blamed for trust, so now it's few who earn that dust. I'm not too deep, I'm just aware of all the games they play out there. I've watched them fold for empty praise, I've seen them drown in gold and haze. But I just sit my joint, my song, a mellow place where I belong. The world may move, may scream, may spin, but I find peace just breathing in. I'm not above, I'm not detached, I just got wounds they can't rehash. And every puff reminds my soul that I still stand, I still stay whole. Smoke don't lie, it don't pretend, it don't switch sides, it don't depend. It knows my pain, it knows my name. It calms the fire, it kills the shame. Smoke don't lie, and that's enough. It never judged when life got rough. So if you see me spaced and still, I'm not asleep, I'm just too real. Don't need your words, don't need to try. I've got my truth and smoke don't lie.
I see the cracks beneath the rest. They paint the streets with neon lights, but I've been watching through the highs. They chase the bag, they fake the glow, but deep inside they still don't know I've walked past deals, I've seen the scams, the handshake tight but full of plans. I light and lean, the world spins cold. The youth sell dreams, already sold. They build you up, then cut you thin, but I won't trade my peace to win. No silver spoon, no safety net, just lessons burned, I won't forget. This ain't no path of golden bricks, it's smoke and ash and dirty tricks. Clouds over concrete, but I don't fold. They play with fire, I watch it cold. I roll my truth and let it burn. You learn the most with no return. Clouds over concrete, but I stay high. They lose their soul to touch the sky. I've seen the strong fall to their pride. I've seen the weak just step aside. Not everyone who talks is wise. Some just repeat what fear implies. The system feeds and calls you free, but caged minds can't really see. So I detach, I burn and float. I'd rather truth than wear their coat. No suit, no tie, no fake salute. I see the lies beneath the loot. Respect don't come from what you flash, it's how you move when things collapse. They chase the fame, I chase the breath, the one that clears the stench of death. You won't escape what you create, so I create my silent state. Clouds over concrete, but I don't fold. They play with fire, I watch it cold. I roll my truth and let it burn. You learn the most with no return. Clouds over concrete, but I stay high. They lose their soul to touch the sky. So if I walk with eyes half closed, it ain't the weed, it's what I know. The world's a mess, but I'm not blind. I've just found peace they'll never find.
Rain drums lightly on the old tin roof. Sing parade rhythm, nature's living proof. Lantern glow flickers, kettle starts to sing. I twist a little wisdom, let the night begin. Puddles tap dance in the courtyard clay. Wind hums harmony a half step away. I lean into the moment, breathing sweet and slow. Every ripple in the gutter keeps the bass line low. Tin roof rhythm, hear the water play. Simple meditation in a stormy sway. One fresh draw, troubles wash away. Tin roof rhythm, guide my soul today. Guide my soul today. Lighting sketches truths on the distant hill. Thunder rolls a heartbeat the speakers can't fill. Neighbors share laughter through the wooden wall. Unity in raindrops, blessings for us all. Let the roof be the snare drum. Let the wind be the horn. Let the leaves spark the insight that a new world's born. No fancy stage, just zinc and rain. Roots run deeper than the fear and pain. Tin roof rhythm, hear the water play. Simple meditation
a stormy sway. One fresh draw, troubles wash away. Tin roof rhythm, guide my soul today. Yeah. Guide my soul today. Yeah. When the clouds drift off and the night turns clear, I'll keep the rhythm ringing in my inner ear. Storm may pass, but the vibe will stay. Tin roof rhythm keeps the dread at bay. Yeah, keeps the dread at bay. Yeah, keeps the dread at bay.